AIS Survivex are delighted to be at the forefront of the wind industry, with 1 in every 3 delegates training at one of our facilities. AIS Survivex offer the full range of GWO training courses, whether you are new into the industry or whether you have transferable skills and are looking to transition across into renewable energy. Our instructors have vast experience in the industry, get unbelievable feedback from delegates and are extremely passionate about what they do.
So there's many different career paths you can take in the wind industry. We have all different types of people come here through the door. So everything that we do here is designed to build up the skills from scratch so that when you get out on the site you can deliver a high standard. They leave here happy and confident that they can carry out the task in hand.
I chose the AIS Survivex because I've previously had training here and it's a very good facility to use. There's a lot of knowledge from the staff and it's great. It's a great place to be.
AIS Survivex have facilities in Newcastle and in Scotland. We also offer the opportunity of 0% finance for those looking to train at one of our facilities.